Good morning, welcome.
Good morning.
A lot of kitchen staff. That's a really good tile combination. Can you Google that? I need you to Google that for me.
Looks like I put it right here. I get on the 539. Wow.
Right here.
We'll get in the next one.
Oh, not yet. I know. Let's put my car on gear.
Mira.
Yeah, that's right. I never put it back.
This is more of just in case.
Yeah. What do you think? You gonna think about it? All right.
175.
175.
I know where
Come
you're
back,
at.
all right?
I will.
Quick silver.
Catching up with you. Thanks for coming back and saying howdy.
Nice to have somebody to chat with for a little bit here. So appreciate it. Have a good one over there.
So that's controlling my
Happy
station. Actually, one of our engineer stations.
monitoring the bands on the big screen.
Those vertical lines you see are his solar array. He's off the grid. So the little regulators on the solar panels make those little single tone signals you see here.
Pleasure's all mine.
But for the most part, I can avoid those. So.
Have a great day. We'll catch you again. 7-3 from KGH.
Them live near to me.
How did you happen to come across it? How long have you owned it?
Oh, I think about 15 years I've had the thing, and I've been going to do something with it, and just didn't get around to doing it. Yeah, at least. You know, my thought was that I could also do a little modification to that thing and make it, turn it into an FM receiver.
Ah.
And then send the FM to the other radio with Bluetooth, which is somewhat what I do with that Zenith set over there.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, well, that's got Bluetooth and FM and whatever all else on it. Modifications.
Oh, wow.
You know, rebuild the radio first, and after that, turn it on and it'll warm up in a minute or two.
So it's still got all the tubes and everything in it. It's just you've modified it with Bluetooth.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got auxiliary inputs for something like the CD player, MP3, whatever you plug in.
Hot rod version.
Yeah.
I love it.
That's one of the local FM stations here.
Does the cathedral work at all?
Oh yeah, it's done. The short waving that Mark said does not work for the hoop. There's not much to listen to on that short wave thing.
Right. What are you asking for it?
225. You know, it's in a pretty nice shape.
Yeah.
Original cabinet. Yeah, Mark did the cabinet on that Zenith that's that back there behind me.
What's your call sign?
K9
K9 UWA.
Yeah.
Kilo Quebec 4, Sierra Julia Mike, Lima 98.
Kilo Quebec 4, Sierra Julia Mike, N2FYA.
N2FYA from Kilo Quebec 4, Sierra Julia Mike. Nice to meet you again. I'm in Echo Lima 98 at the ARRL HamCation.
USL on the HamCation.
Tell him PDI says hi.
Kilo South, thanks for the contact.
Hello.